Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the printer port on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo nang i-type yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa ating control panel settings, dito sa top right corner, kailangan mo nang i-click tong arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung category para mas makita natin kaagad. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa category settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung hardware and sounds. So under nito ay kailangan mo nang i-click tong view devices and printers. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa Bluetooth and device. So ang next step, so scroll down, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printers and scanners. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa printer and scanner, so ang gagawin natin dito ay select ka lang dito kung anong gusto mong printer devices yung may problems or may error. Okay? So for example, select lang natin itong Microsoft Print to PDF. And then next step dito sa kanyang printer and settings, so select lang natin dito yung printer properties. And then dito sa kanyang printer properties, so ang next step, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung general, sharings, and yung parts. Okay? So select lang natin tong parts. And then makikita mo na kaagad dito yung iba't ibang klase na kanyang part. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-check marks whatever port you wanted to change. Kung anong gusto mong port dito yung na gusto mong baguhin, so kailangan mo lang i-check itong box, okay? And then next ay click mo lang dito yung okay. Right, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change and change printer port in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.